Wow, I am so stupid. We had the lights turned off so we could get a picture over that way. I picked up my SD card and I stupidly inserted it upside down by accident, but now it's stuck in there and it will not come out no matter how hard we pull. I guess tomorrow we have to take it to a camera repair shop just to get it out without damaging the camera at least. That's frustrating. Okay, so I'm sorry to disappoint you guys to start off, but I'm really pissed too right now, and that's because about how last night I jammed my SD card in the wrong way because all the lights were turned off and I wasn't looking. As it turns out, there are no places where I can get it dismantled, repaired, stuff like that, so I'll have to do it when I get back home. It just means that for now I will have to shoot the rest of this trip on my phone, so yeah, I do apologize for that. It just means the quality will be a bit lower. But for now, let us head outside and explore.
That's good.
Right up to these pigeons, they just do not care. Well, this one's even coming towards me. How you doing, man? We got all of Gavin's mates. One of them is upside down.
Me, Flying Gorilla, from my new app on the App Store, Flying Gorilla.
We then had some lunch at a nearby restaurant before going up to Mount Wellington. After about 30 minutes of driving, we ended up about 1,200 meters above sea level, which was actually high enough to see above the clouds. And yes, that is snow here in Australia. I then took off all of my warm clothes to assert dominance. Being on the mountain was pretty fun. Unfortunately, that's all I have to share today. I will post more updates on my Twitter, but for now, I will see you in the next video.